Are you in need of assistance for child custody? The bottom line is, bickering with your children's opposite parent can cause misery for your other family members. Nobody wants to get in a dispute with their ex regarding their children. Horribly, having arguments are sometimes inevitable. There are several reasons that arguments over custody occur. When they do, they make a lot of innocent people suffer along their way. How do you protect your kids while still making sure that they are absolutely safe and sound? In this video we will explain some of the places you can go and search for help with child custody matters. One of the most important things that you need to do if you are in need of child custody help is to remember that you are an adult. Yelling, screaming and other forms of abuse will get you nowhere fast. Trying to get your children to take sides is a big no-no. Recall that you are a grown-up now and that if you have a temper tantrum it is definitely not a good method for getting your way. Be cordial. Act like an adult. Don't get mixed up with paltry issues. Now is one of the most important times in your life. Make sure everyone sees you at your best. Even though most parents don't want to hear this, there are times where neither parent if given custody of the child in question. Unfortunately, some instances require the judge to award custody to a family member or child services. If neither parent can prove that they deserve to be the sole provider for the household, the judge will resort to this less than ideal situation. If your lawyer tells you this is an option, be sure and prepare yourself for it. The more you try to work with the other parent, the better you both will look if you do have to go to court. Work with the other parent is very important. Try to understand where the other parent is coming from. Do try to find a compromise that takes both parents' needs and expectations into account while keeping the children as safe and happy as possible. Although, this does not mean you automatically give in to their wishes. And keep in mind, it is not about winning. But it is about what is best for the kids. You might be surprised at how many reasons there are for a video like this one. Perhaps it's a loved one or relative? You should never lose sight of the fact that there are more people involved than just the adults. Maybe you are considering a life change and just want information. It is not a matter of trivia. Even civil matters pale in comparison of importance. This is why family court is its own entity within the justice system. Tread lightly.